What's up, guys? It's April 25th, 2024. Pretty nice day for the Bulls. Definitely, I was not expecting it. I took some sim trades today. Profitable, just scalping one micro here and there. Yeah, I was not expecting today. That was pretty cool to see. I don't know what the hell happened in bar 79. So I'm gonna talk about just gonna go bar by bar and try and identify where the buyers and sellers are. And in between we'll talk about leg one, leg two moves. I try to keep these around 10 minutes because I don't want to take too much of your time because I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. So bar one is a gap down. Oh no, excuse me. The opening has a huge gap down. Bar one is follow through, and this is yesterday's range. So right away, bar one, and that the measured move. So I was pretty surprised. I wasn't thinking too short since the measured move was already met. So bar one, good for the bears. Follow through below this huge gap down. However, bar two is pretty bad. It's a range bar. It's not follow through for bar one. So the market's more when bar two prints, the market's more sideways than trending. Bar three looks like a pullback, and we're testing the highs of bar one. Bar four, we sell off 2-bar reversal with a big gap down. Could be good for some sort of leg lower, and bears did get a minor leg lower. Bar four is follow through for the reversal. Bar five is follow through for the reversal here. Bar six, good for the bears. Follow through is a range bar, and we're starting to stall. There's not too much selling, more tail than body, so that's range bars. It's not necessarily trending bars, but we are getting lower lows. We're not breaking any highs. The bulls aren't breaking trend lines. Is what I mean. Like that. There's a trend line right there. That's still good. It's still moving lower. It's just not the strongest. Where for a big gap down, you'd want to see so much momentum. It keeps going. There was a couple of days like that a few months ago. One day like that. Bar 8, bulls are buying lows. We have a lot of buying pressure on bar 7. That was a bad circle. Bar 7, a lot of selling pressure. Bar 8, bulls are buying lows. And bar 9, bulls get the reversal. I think this bar is good for maybe a point or two up. The only problem is we're buying at the high of a range. So we have to ask ourselves, are there more sellers or buyers here? So if you are going to buy the high of bar 9, I think it's best to wait for maybe a pullback or just scalp out a couple points. Bar 10, follow through for bar 9, but we see tails on the high of the candle. I got the sniffles all of a sudden. Tails on this high, so that shows selling, or bulls could be taking profits at range highs. Bar 11, follow through, but we're not making higher highs. We're making higher lows, but not higher highs. I mean, we are closing higher, but not by a lot. You know what I mean? Like here, that's not happening. We're staying within bar 10's wick. Bar 12, price is coiling up, 3 pushes up. That is a wedge on a smaller time frame. Bar 13 sells off, so the wedge has a bearish breakout. This could be a bear flag, double top with a higher high. Breakout, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, wedge bottom. Bar 14, bar 13, bad follow through for the bears in terms of continuing selling. I muted myself, I was about to sneeze. So bar 15 looks like the first leg down for the bears on a smaller time frame, and they pull back. Bar 16 is another leg lower, and bar 17 is the third leg down, creating a wedge bottom. Head and shoulders reversal, kind of. The bears tried 3 times to break out lower and failed. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. So we got the wedge bottom, bar 18. Looks like bulls are trying to reverse the lows. They're testing the high of bar 9. I think they're more buyers than sellers right now. Bulls are buying lows and bears are shorting highs. This was a new high and bears shorted it. Bulls are buying lows. We pull back into the EMA from a leg 1, pull back leg 2 perspective. Bar 19 is strong. Kind of like bar 9. We're still buying at the high of the range. We're trading at yesterday's low. So where are we? Bar 19. Bar 20, follow through, but not with a good body. Bar 21 is a body close, but has a wick. Not the strongest body. Bar 22 looks like a pullback. And then bar 23 is a breakout of this bull flag. First pullback, breakout into the EMA. Market goes sideways for a few bars. You just wait for the breakout here because it's a lot of overlap. There's no trending lows. The last 4 or 5 bars are just straight sideways. So that signifies TTR, and we are range bound. Bulls get the breakout of bar 39. Oh, excuse me, 29. Bulls get the breakout of bar 29. Bar 30 is good follow through. 31 good follow through. Bulls put 3 good bull bars above the EMA. So the gap down, I think it's time to give up on shorts. If you're still short holding from any of these, definitely would be getting out around here. Get good follow through above the EMA and pull back with bar 33. They go for another leg higher with 34 and 35. 34 has a lot of selling. 35 is a good body. It's a trend bar. 36 is follow through, but the market starts to pull back when we get every time we got to a new high, the market pulled back. With 37, 38 is a pullback. 39 looks like a reversal bar. It's not an outside bar. It's a pin bar. It's a high one. No, excuse me. It is a high one. Here's a pullback, high one, because the low was made here, and this high is made after bar 38's body, and then we pull back with bar 40, and then we have a high 2 with bar 41, because this is the pullback. It doesn't go below the prior bar lows, so that's not the best. It's more of a compression. It's an expanding triangle on a smaller time frame, and it breaks out for 3 bars, and then we get a pullback. Bar 41 is a good breakout bar, or it's not a good breakout bar. It's just a good bull bar. It's a trend. It's a trend-like bar. It closes on its highs. Small tail on the bottom. Bar 42, the market raced up and sold off. Not the best close, but it's still trending. The lows are higher and the high is higher. Low is higher. High is higher. So that's good for the bulls. That's bar 43. Bar 44. It looks like bears get a lower high here and they sell off into the EMA. 45 is follow through. I remember I took a quick scalp around here into the EMA. Bar 45. Looks like bears want to test the EMA and bulls we haven't touched the EMA in about, let's see, bar 30, 45. So about 15, 16 bars we haven't touched the EMA. So the trend is somewhat strong. You know, for this big of a gap down, you definitely want to see continuation right away. Bar 47, strong bar into the EMA. I think this is a bear trap. Look at the wick. They actually didn't close below the EMA. It bounced off the EMA, and bar 48 is a 2-bar reversal. If you get short here, you got to get out here because of all this bullish pressure. 15 bars, that's control over time, plus a reversal on the EMA. If you don't want to get long, at least don't be short. 49 is follow through for 48. I think this looks really good. It is late in the trend. You could say like the leg 1, pull back leg 2, or if this was a trend line break, this could be leg 1, pull back leg 2, something like that. This could be your leg 1, pull back leg 2. Bar 50, the strong test. It's a strong breakout, but it's late in the trend. I think it's testing the higher time frame EMA. The market actually goes sideways for about 30-40 minutes until the market goes sideways at the end of the day, because this happened like at 1 p.m. on Pacific Standard Time. So the market closes at 1 here. Bar 51, bad follow through at resistance. Bar 52, good follow through, good breaking out above the higher time frame EMA. It's the 45-minute. Bar 53, strong close on the higher time frame EMA, but we go sideways. I could see this as maybe a leg 1 pullback. Well, I count it from here. Leg 1, pullback leg 2 in a range. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. You could say the leg count resets off the EMA maybe. I don't know. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, trap. But we're also trading at yesterday's close, so this is resistance. That's the gap right there. So I think it's good to get out of longs here. And the market dumps on 59, dumps on 60. Market goes sideways. This is a strong bear bar, but look at the follow through, just like bar 47. No follow through. Bar 61's bad. It rallied and came here. Bar 60 does get a minor second leg with bar 62 and 63, but it doesn't go anywhere. Look, ends up being a failed breakout with 64. 65 is no follow through. It's a range bar in a range, tight trading range. Bar 66 is breaking above the EMA. It's also breaking above these last couple bars. It broke above these bars, so last about 4 bars, bar 66 breaks out of, and then gets good follow through with 67, 69. Bad follow through, but we're trading at range highs. 69 becomes a bull flag. The market is compressing. 70 is breaking out, and the market goes sideways at a new high and sells off, and then the market becomes a trap, and Dang, we spring open. Missed the Bulls rally, a huge bar, doubling the range. So this was yesterday's range. Bears get the gap down, they get the target, and then we recover, and then Bulls go again. So it was a good day for the Bulls for sure. I didn't catch that last leg there. Wow, 86 points, 93. Oh, that's not even from the lows though. 93. Wow, almost 110 point day for the Bulls from start to finish. Insane. That's a huge day, 110 points. Where are we on the higher time frames? I drew this out yesterday, April 19th low. It would be cool to see what happens. I remember this bar was very black, bearish. It was selling like this, and now look at how it closed. I mean, is the markets open? Do we? I guess there's a gap up. Or no, no, no. We just opened where we. Wait, was there? Wait. Oh yeah, I guess that is the gap up. Yeah, this is the gap up. Uh, okay, I don't remember doing that. Oh, that's the. Oh, okay, okay. So look at this gap real quick. Remember I drew that gap right there? That shows like a big bear bar. That's a big bear bar. That's the gap. So breakout, it closed here, and this is the internal of the gap down. Look, we traded above. Wow, this is pretty cool to see. So although we had a gap down, we were trading at the upper half of the gap down for like 3-4 hours, vacuumed in and sprang back up. Pretty cool stuff. So it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. That's a big down, big up. Maybe the market goes sideways. I don't know. That price action makes me think we go like slightly sideways up or have an inside day at least. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are using your stop loss. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm gonna keep doing the bar by bar analysis. I like it a lot. I think today was a little bit more fluid than the previous one, so it was a little bit easier to talk about as well. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. I drop these every day at 3 p.m. Have a good day, everyone.